It is extremely windy out, which makes it very hard to make a video because all you hear is wind gusts. You're probably going to hear a lot of wind gusts right now. But I'm inside of a calving shed. There's a piece of calf poop up here. We're kind of done calving. We calve a little later in the year. Mid-April to into May. It just works better around here since we're calving out in the fields. But I'm out here in one of our calving yards, just kind of spreading some bedding out and stacking our bale feeders up. We'll show that in a minute. Cows and calves are currently on the next paddock over on some winter rye. Just what you see growing is mustard, because they won't eat that. We're feeding the cows, but let them graze it off because we're gonna plow that all under. And what we're doing is planting corn, and I guess most of these paddocks. Then we'll chop that for silage, and then we'll put winter rye back into it this fall. That seems to work best for us. People have asked about summer annuals, and I guess we're just sorghum sedan grass is a good thing for us. It kind of works, but for tonnage wise, I think we're gonna put it in corn. But basically, like I said, I'm hiding in one of our calf sheds to stay out of the wind. But we'll do quick. There's another shed. We got our feed bunk tires that we usually spread out up the hill to feed them. We got them put in between the sheds because what we're good. And then we got our hay wagon and our bale rings stacked up. Because what we'll do is we'll plant corn around this, and then we'll come out here and spray around this with Roundup just to kill weeds. But these feeders are strictly used for these yards, and they might as well hide up there instead of taking up valuable dirt. So that's we'll plow this up. I don't know if today or not, but the next day or two we'll get our corn planted. Cows that are there right now, they're gonna go north for a day or two. Because that is this other paddock, or what you see is tilled up. That was where cows were. The next one has got winter rye growing in the calf field. It's been extremely dry. We haven't had rain for I don't know how long. So that's why that's not dirt yet. It's because we haven't had rain, so we haven't really needed our calf sheds to hide calves in. So it's all been extremely dry, but we'll graze that one off. And we'll probably end up planting these into corn. And then we'll chop them for silage because otherwise they're just going to grow weeds. Like I said, it's extremely windy out. It makes it hard to make a good video so you can actually hear it. But yeah, we've been I don't think we haven't had since we started calving. We haven't had any rain, or very minimal rain. We had like one snow shower, but that was it. But so hopefully it does start to rain and make our crops grow. We do have corn planted. It's some tired out hay ground. If you saw that on Instagram, you would sell that. But we're doing a couple things different this year. Nothing really major. We're putting our stuff into corn to chop for silage, etc. So basically, I got this little row stacked up. So we can come out here and Dad's getting a load of hay right now from a neighbor's farm, so he gets the end back. Probably put it back on the chisel plow, and then we'll tear this stuff up before it grows again. This was rye, as you can see. They ate it to the ground. But anyway, it's a little update on this. We'll show you more as time goes on. But thanks for subscribing and watching, etc., etc.